See if we could take a prisoner.
Prisoner? Fuck prisoner. Fuck a prisoner. I ain't taking no goddamn prisoner. Prisoners get you killed.
I like to keep a prisoner there so they can watch the murder happen. Killing all of their friends. They can't do anything. So I tell them what.
Oh, what the
What
fuck?
the fuck is it?
Somebody just threw a flashbang?
What the fuck's going on?
Did your screen do that too?
Shit, what was that? What was that?
I have no idea, dude. If this was experimental, I'd swear it was a
What the
flashbang.
fuck? The screen, my fucking. Why is it like time lapsing right now for me? Hardtail?
What do you mean?
I shit you not, it looks like the clouds are going by at 100 miles an hour.
I don't see any clouds.
Fuck! Dude, for me, the clouds are moving like, it's like
Oh my god, look
dark.
at the trees.
What the shit? Yeah, it's doing it for me too now. What is going on? Is Daisy on drugs? Or am I?
All the grass just went flat.
Yeah. Oh my god, I seen this one time with Jacob one time.
I think we just experienced wind shear. All the
What's
bushes
that?
on the airfield are down, and the trees are going berserk.
Yeah. What the fuck is this? I've seen this happen before.
Look at that.
It looks like it's like Daisy on drugs, huh?
All the bushes out in that field are blown over too. All the bushes are blown over.
The bullets were flying, Balota was crying. Oh shit. This song's so funny.
What in the hell?
Yeah, I don't understand. Why is the sky moving at like 100 miles an hour?
I don't
Are
know,
you
man. I
seeing
don't
that?
have clouds loaded, so I can't tell that. Here, hang on.
Yeah, for me.
Holy shit. Oh wow, this is so gonna be recorded.
Thank you, because I can't.
Time lapse. I think we're experiencing a hurricane.
No. A Daisy time-lapse hurricane. Dude, oh my god, this... It literally looks like... I'm not... Oh my god, it's just speeding up. It's going even faster and faster, Hardtail.
I know. I think
What
we're all
the
gonna be.
fuck
There's a
is going
tornado
on?
somewhere.
It's gonna kill us. It's gonna eventually just wipe us out in a second. Dude, the trees are going crazier and crazier. What the fuck is going on? What? Dude, the trees are going insane.
Yeah, this completely and totally cannot end up well.
What is this? Why would it do this? I've wondered this. How come it was...
What happened
What?
when it did it? What happened at the end when it did it before? Anything?
No, I just noticed that everything just started going crazy, but this is worse than before. It was going like... These trees come over to these trees. Fucking acid or
That,
some shit.
that's just totally wild that all the leaves just went.
Are you seeing the trees swing back and forth as much as I am? Because literally, they're going like...
Yeah, I wouldn't get too close to a tree. It might kill you.
I was already all up on them. Let's see.
That tree's going through you,
Oh
man.
my god, it's going through me.
Let's see.
We're playing the trees. Oh, best cover ever. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. This is like ultimate combat tree cover right here. Nobody would ever be able to shoot you. How would you ever find your enemy in this mad? What is this? I don't understand. I just do not understand.
I don't know, man.
This is just bizarre. This is gonna kill us.
No, they're just all out of whack. I thought maybe some of those trees were actually blowing over, but this is a first for me, man. I gotta tell you, this is an absolute first. I've never seen anything like this.
I've seen it before and it doesn't change. You can still play, like... I was playing in it for a long time when this was going down for me. And I didn't get instantly killed by anyone or anything like that.
Let's
But
go.
it seems like a hack, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go in a Trino and kill some
Hang on. I don't think the trees in the horizon back there aren't doing it.
They're not.
Let's go back there.
The closer you get to any tree, though, it'll do it.
I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna run right through the woods here. Probably kill me.
Goodbye, Hardtail.
Right. Look at this fucking tangled mess, man.
It wouldn't be right during this.
Whatever you say.
Alright. Where are you at?
Coming down at the power station.
Do you want to meet me at piano?
Yeah. I hear in game. Two guys at the well.
What well? At apartments?
Over here at piano house.
I'm over there by piano. I don't, yeah, I see you right here. Give it a second.
You see him?
Yeah.
I hear the Why you gotta do this, man? We got nothing. We got literally nothing.
World's coming to an end, man. You want gear? There you go.
You got them both?
Yeah.